All right, so we are here today. It's Friday. We've got Lucy Fur. First name Lucy, middle name Fur. Lucy Fur is the Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week, and she is getting ready to go on to Fox13 live television to make her debut. We are trying to find this 5-month-old beautiful little kitten a new home. So we're here at the studios. As you can see, we're getting ready to go in. So if you're thinking about adopting a pet and you're thinking about a cat, then you may want to consider coming out and checking out Lucy Fur. She is an adorable little kitten and definitely could use a new home before the holidays. So, well, before Christmas and New Year's, if you're looking to add to your family, I think Lucy Fur would make a great addition. So check her out. If you're not doing anything in the next 20 minutes, at about 11:56, Lucy Fur will be live on Fox13. You can check her out. And yeah, I hope you guys think she's cute.